We're going to take a look at how to replace the battery on this Mitsubishi. The battery is right there, as you can see, in the engine bay. We'll start by removing the air inlet right here. You have two plastic pieces, these retainers. You screw them out and they pop out. Once you do that, then you can lift this up and see right here, this will come out. You can see there's clips on the bottom here, it clips there, and it also clips here. Next thing that we'll do is disconnect the negative. We'll loosen that nut there. We don't need to remove it, we simply loosen it. Pull the negative to the side. Here we have the positive, and this nut you need to loosen up is this one right here. Again, you simply just loosen that. Alright, we'll push that to the side. Use a 10mm deep socket to get this loose. Once you get that loose enough, then you can move it to the side and out. You don't even need to loosen this back one. You do need to be careful that you don't touch these two posts with the metal, or you'll create a short. So we gotta be careful there. So now the battery is ready to be removed. Now we're getting ready to reinstall the battery. And make sure you install the same size battery, otherwise it's not going to fit on that tray down there. The other thing is you want to make sure that the positive, the plus here, is on the side that your positive is. So here we have the red, it's the positive. We take the bracket. If you look very carefully on the back, on that side of the battery, just like on this side, there's a little place where you hook this. So this should not come up like that. Let's get that. You can't really see here. So you're gonna keep trying until you get that in there. So you can see that it's not coming up anymore down there. As we pull on it. Now push this down. Push this away. And there we have that lock too. Now I'm gonna tighten this by hand as much as we can. When tighten it with the socket, you don't want to over tighten this because you can crack the battery housing. Just make sure the battery is in there secure. Now the next thing that we'll do is we're going to clean these battery posts. Have a wire brush, insert it, and we clean the battery. Remove this part. And next we're going to clean the terminals here. Okay, we'll do the same thing right here. Okay, that's done. So once you do that, we'll go ahead and connect the positive first. Push that far down as you can. And hold it down because it tends to pop up a little bit. As you hold that down, go ahead and tighten this 10mm nut here. There. That's connected. Connect the positive. It's normal if you see a little bit of sparks when you connect the negative. The positive there is on and tight. Here's the negative, and you see the minus right there. We're going to tighten this nut right here. Now the car is powered up, so we need to be careful. Don't want to create any shorts between these two posts. So that's secure, that's tight. You're going to check those. A lot of times you think you have them tight, but you don't. Now once you do this, spray some battery protector. It seals those terminals so there's no corrosion over time. Close the positive there. Right here we're going to connect the air duct. I'll push that in. Now all we have to do is put the two screws up here at the front. And that's it. Thank you.